I don't have enough money. Let's talk about one of the most common reasons people never start their dream. I don't have enough money. Maybe you've said this yourself. I want to launch this idea, but I just can't afford it right now. I can't. I need a better setup. I need a bigger budget, more savings, more time off from work. And listen, this is a real feeling. It's valid. Life costs money. Dreams do too, but I want to help us look at this differently. By the end of this video, I hope that you'll see how lack of money, it doesn't mean lack of options. I'll leave you with 3 ways to move forward when funds are low, plus a mindset shift that will unlock the creativity you need to build now, not later. I want to acknowledge something up front. Money stress is real. Some of us are working full time, maybe raising kids, managing debt, caregiving, or living check to check. And on top of all that, we're trying to pursue something bigger. That's not a lack of ambition. That's just a lot of pressure. And what makes it worse, seeing other people saying things like, oh, just invest in yourself without ever explaining how. So if you've ever felt ashamed because your dream is on hold due to finances, just breathe and relax, just breathe. You're not doing anything wrong, but you do have some options, so that's the bright side. Let's talk about those. Okay, so the myth of needing more. Here's something I had to learn. More money doesn't always solve the real problem. I've met people who have had like $10,000 to launch something and they still didn't start. Why? Because they were still waiting for certainty. They were still dealing with self-doubt, still unsure of their voice. So while money can remove barriers, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't remove fear. And that means even if funds are limited, you can begin building the courage, the clarity, and the structure now. You don't need to wait until you have $5,000 for a website to validate your idea. You need one small way to show up and test it. When I started my brand, I didn't have extra money lying around. I had bills, still have bills, responsibilities, still have responsibilities, and a lot of questions. I couldn't afford a full production team, fancy branding, or ads, but what I did have, I had a voice and a willingness to take small steps with what I did have. I used free tools like Canva. I posted with a $20 ring light. I recorded content on my phone, built connections instead of worrying about conversion. And little by little, things are growing. Not because I have a bigger budget, but because I believe my vision matters enough to begin. So let's do some practical steps. Here's 3 ways that you can make progress even with limited funds. First, redefine investment. Not all investments are financial. Time, energy, and consistency are major assets. Spending 15 focused minutes a day on your vision is worth more than $500 spent randomly without a plan. Second, start with free low-cost tools. There are so many tools out there. Canva you can use for branding, you can get a stand store for digital products, or a free website on Fourth Wall for physical products. Notions or Trello is great for planning, and you can use YouTube or TikTok to build your audience. So just use what you have, use it well, and grow from there. Third, create a micro budget. Even like $10, $20 a month can make a difference if you use it with intention. So I would just pick one area to focus on, like a domain name, maybe a paid font, and some type of email tool. Don't wait to have enough is the point. Just practice using what you already have, because I'm sure there's some things that are at your fingertips that you have not used yet. Okay, one small move. Your small move for today, I want you to make a what can I do for free list. Yes. Write down 5 to 10 things you can do right now, no money required. And this list will become your action plan, because there is always something that you can do. Always. And every move that you make counts. Every move you make counts. Don't wait for the money. So to sum it all up, money might be tight, I get it, but your dream, it is still valid and you are capable. Drop a comment and tell me what's one thing that you're gonna build today, even without a big budget. And if you're feeling stuck, remember to grab the first 3 tracks on the Unstuck audio series. They're completely free and they're designed to just kind of get you in that mindset. They're really quick. You can do it on a walk, or you can listen to it in the bathroom. I'll leave the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, because there's more to come in this series. There's a total of 12. You're not broke, you're building, and the best time to start is with what you have right now. And check out this next video if you haven't. It's the first one, called When You Don't Know Where to Start. Is that what it's called? Yeah, it'll be here or here. Is it here? It's in one of these. Just click it.